What is Donald Trump's latest demand in the Iran war peace talks? 2026. What is Donald Trump's latest demand in the Iran war peace talks? The stakes are rising as Trump insists on a great and meaningful deal or no deal at all, putting the fragile peace process on edge. Donald Trump has made a clear ultimatum in the ongoing Iran war peace talks. He wants either a great and meaningful peace deal or no deal at all. On Saturday night, he mentioned that final details were being discussed, signaling a possible breakthrough. However, this tough stance is coupled with demands directed not just at Iran, but also at its Arab neighbors, urging them to join the Abraham Accords as a condition for peace. This insistence reflects Trump's refusal to be rushed and his desire for a comprehensive agreement. Iran has firmly rejected demands to surrender its enriched uranium stockpile, a major sticking point in the peace negotiations. An Iranian diplomat confirmed that Iran has not agreed to hand over these materials. Meanwhile, Iran's National Security Council declared there would be no retreat from its position in the war, even as some Iranian officials reportedly traveled to Qatar for talks. This stance suggests that Iran is willing to negotiate, but not at the cost of key strategic assets. The military situation remains tense, with U.S. forces recently striking Iranian drones and a launch site around the strategic Strait of Hormuz. This comes amid conflicting reports about Iran allegedly downing an American MQ-9 Reaper drone. Pentagon officials dismissed these Iranian media claims, and independent analysts have supported the U.S. position. These actions complicate diplomatic efforts and highlight the fragile security environment surrounding the talks. The peace talks are further complicated by a resurgence of fighting in Lebanon between Israel and the Iran-backed Hezbollah militia. This conflict not only heightens regional instability, but also jeopardizes diplomatic progress. Additionally, Trump voiced concerns about Iran potentially passing its enriched uranium stockpile to Russia or China, which would escalate global security risks. These regional tensions underscore the complexity of achieving a lasting peace deal. President Trump has warned that he will not be rushed into signing a peace deal, emphasizing the need for solid and meaningful terms. While Iranian officials reportedly head to Qatar for ongoing peace talks, Iran's military and diplomatic leadership remain resolute. This delicate balance of diplomacy and military posturing means the coming days will be critical for determining if a breakthrough or stalemate occurs. So what does this mean for you? The outcome of these peace talks could reshape the Middle East stability, affecting global oil prices and security. Stay informed as events unfold. Understanding these moves helps you grasp how international conflicts might touch your life. If you want clear updates on global crises, hit subscribe and ring the bell now.